you? I can't join
You're in
you.
my game.
Oh,
You're
you're
in my
here.
game. Hey guys, we're back for another video, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button. Hey, why is that Doge so weird from last round?
Yay.
I want that. No!
Oh my god, this is fun.
No! Oh man.
No!
Oh man. Oh man.
And that's when she died.
I jumped off. Or, well, I didn't really jump
I
off.
died.
I want the diamond!
Come on, no!
Get what I
The
want.
stupid
Pow.
tornado gets in my way.
Get onto the yellow platform, quick! Oh, that was sad.
No!
Only 3 people got on it.
No.
Alright, let's do
That
this.
is-
Whoa, we are fast.
Gotta go fast.
Lee,
Gotta go
I'll
fast.
tag you. I'm gonna tag you.
Gotta
Playing
go
tag.
faster, faster, gotta go faster.
Tag.
How fast do I have to go? Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, faster. Yay!
Sad. Oh wait, this is extra land. We're gonna fall off, aren't we?
Where's the diamond?
No!
I'm gonna-
I knew it was extra land, so we were gonna fall off.
I pressed the button. I pressed the button.
Oh, you pressed the button? You did
I
something.
pressed the button.
You did something no
I
one should
pressed the
do.
button. I pressed the button.
You did
Whoa!
something no one should do.
Diamond!
Come here! Okay, that end of me. You just saw me get out.
I can dodge it. You're not gonna dodge it. You can't dodge it. You
I
gotta
am
dodge
dodging it. I got it. I made it. I made it. I made it. I got the diamond. This is the safe place.
Just,
Move.
I clicked it again. I pressed it.
How'd
I
you
pressed
press
it. Diamond!
Oh dang it! I died. So this way,
I got it.
we're gonna be climbing. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this.
I needed to get the diamond. I had to. I'm sorry.
I died. I died trying to do the obby. I never done that.
I died trying to get the diamond. Well, I got it, but that was not worth it
That's
anyway.
just-
But it was still worth it.
One sec. I only have 20 coins. Suburban Ninja Curries, Forks,
I didn't even
money,
collect
foam finger. You know what? Don't press button sign.
Diamond.
No.
Diamond's mine. Diamond's mine.
No,
Diamond's
I
mine.
wanna
Yes!
press it. I want to press it. I pressed it. Now what? Watch out. Boulders are coming.
Out. Bonus.
I know what to do.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. No!
How'd you die from that? Alright. I'm gonna press it. I pressed it. I pressed it.
No!
This one again.
Okay.
No. What?
Why?
You know what? No. No. I'm not gonna let that get to my head.
Nope.
Hey,
This sucks.
I have a
rather do
question. Have you heard that pep talk our teacher gave us? Have you listened to that pep talk our teacher gave us?
No, I was never paying attention.
No, she gave it to us like when we got our stuff back. I pressed it. Haha.
Not the time. I want to.
No, so
Don't go to
close.
the back.
Whoa! Almost went to the house. Whoa!
I told you don't go to the house.
I almost went to the house. I wasn't sure what. Oh. No!
Whoa!
Actually, this is pretty easy. This doesn't look hard at all. This doesn't look hard at all.
Wow!
Why are you screaming? Whoa!
Wow! Wow!
You know what?
Wow! Whoa! 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 Ah,
Stop saying whoa!
I had to. Dang it! I was looking for a long
I'm alive! I won! I won. Haha. Oh, boulders again. Lee, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Over here. Lee, over here. Oh, you're really dumb. My coin. Easy. Just put it into
Go,
there.
Mark, go!
Quickly, hurry, so we can get this over with.
Come on,
Stop!
we gotta go. No!
Oh my god, Swift vibes, I don't like you. You're my. I scored. Finally. Gee. Alright, I'm gonna
I
press
got
the
it!
button.
I pressed it! Haha!
Oh,
I
you
pressed
pressed
it
it?
before!
Now what? Ah! Bomb.
It's
You
raining
rain bomb.
from
That no,
sky.
don't sing. Don't sing. Stop.
What is this? Ow! I see something. What
You
is
press
this?
the button.
Is this a glitch?
What? What
I
about?
see something over here. Whoa!
That's his leg. Don't worry.
this?
It's just his leg. It's just his dead leg. Come on, get on.
Rain!
I'm going. Going for it. Yes. Got the coin. I clicked it.
No!
Whoa.
I need the lasers.
Kabam.
Where's the laser? Ow! Whoa, I passed it!
You actually survived. That's actually very weird. Whoa. Please help. Whoa! Whoa! It's a sword fight. I don't like sword fights.
Die, potato, die!
Die?
Die!
Here's your
Die,
death.
potato! Die, potato!
That's the end of you.
I go you die.
Die!
You little
It's just me and someone else. It's just me and some other person.
die! Come on,
Die!
come on,
I win!
die!
I won!
Ow.
I won! No one's left except me. I win! No!
Potato!
I
Let
win.
me smash this glass out so I can break her to her knuckles.
Wait, hold up. Oh, hi. Hi. I pressed it.
No one cares. No one cares.
Why do you always... Cake.
Oh, guys, don't go to the table.
The cake's alive,
Oh,
please. The cake's alive. I don't like cakes. Oh, not this again. Please. No. Oh, okay. What's this?
I'm gonna lose.
I'm gonna win.
Die! Die, potato! Die, potato! Die, potato! No! I killed Jessica, though.
Oh, I saw you do that. Ah! Someone's chasing me. I hate this game.
You said that you were good.
Well, you kind of died first, so.
Well, whatever. You're still small, potato.
I will come. I will come to your house when you're sleeping, and I will pour. I'll take a cup of water. I'll pour it in your face, and then I'll take a hair dryer, and then I'll take the hair dryer, and then when I do that when I put that, I'll blow the hair dryer in your face. Ah!
No! No!
I hate this game.
Tormenting me.
All right.
This sucks. I thought this game was gonna be fun. It's just be silly. It's a waste of time. Slap this game.
I'm bored.
Look at us. We're like small little potatoes. Look how
I'm
big this
bored
game is.
because all of us keep dying. I pressed it. I pressed it.
Mine.
I pressed it. Easy as pie. Want that? What?
No!
You died. Haha.
No one cares. Shut up.
I'm going to the blue. Don't go to blue. Don't go to blue. Oh, we're dead. Everybody's going to blue. No, please. Oh, and we're on blue. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Let's
blue.
go!
Try again. I'm going to blue. I'm going to blue.
Going to yellow.
Going to blue. Please, let's see. Who shall fall tonight? No! And I thought blue. Oh. You know what? Curse you. You will grow. You will grow fungi on your feet tomorrow night.
Haha, we win! Haha, we won.
Haha, I pressed it.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Oh my god, it's Vsauce. It was Vsauce. Oh no,
Oh
the
my god,
button
we have to find
disappeared.
the button.
I found the button.
Oh.
That was kind of
Good.
easy.
Where are you guys? I can't. Oh, good. Okay. Dang it, the scrub
press it. Time to spam click the button. Ready.
Spam.
see. Let's see who wins. Stop! I'll win this.
I will keep.
I'll
keep clicking as I please.
do it 3 times. I got probably like 30 of
I
those.
pressed the button.
Tsunami. Tsunami incoming. I made it. Tsunami's not gonna attack. Oh.
No.
Oh, goodbye, Lee. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye.
You ran everything because you've always been practicing everything.
I've barely played this game. Whoa. Whoa. What's happening? Oh, it's Spleef! It's Spleef! Spleef, I love Spleef.
Bounce. Aha,
I
she
love
killed herself.
Haha.
Whoa!
Haha.
I should have jumped. Shut up. That was not.
Haha.
Shut up.
No.
Wait, I think you're making something. Hey, looks like you're making something.
It looks like a dinosaur or a lizard. Some type of mutant lizard. Alright. Press the button, someone, please.
Come on, guys.
Alright, now it's.
I like dancing.
I like trains.
Oh no! There's gonna be train. Oh. I
That's
knew.
just sad.
When he said I like trains, I knew there's gonna be train. No! Quickly!
Daddy! Nerd.
He died and he even has some coal. That's just sad. That's just sad. I pressed it. Not. Oh man. Not this again. Well, they're going down. Probably gonna be first one down.
You're going dead. Don't even get close to me. You're going
Some
dead.
girl's chasing
You're gonna
me.
be dead. You're gonna die. No! Screw stuff.
She's chasing me.
Kill that right here. Right now.
Kill
that right
the
here.
tech girl. It's Jason.
I
Kill that
can't.
girl. Kill that test girl. Oh man, test girl won. Yay! So happy about that. Oh, I pressed the button. Yay! Easy
Ooh,
peasy.
I love this.
Lemon squeezy.
No!
How'd you die already?
I was really good at it before.
Aw.
I quit. I'm leaving this game, wasn't it, girl?
No, we have to continue. No, we have to.
Why did you want to kill me? Because you're stupid and you're dumb and you're mean.
I'm not mean.
I mean the tag girl.
I don't like the tag girl. She's mean.
Because you're stupid and
Not
dumb
really.
and you're mean and you have no friends. You're
Well, she kind of was playing the game. Or whatever.
not talking to you. Shut up, girl.
The
Shut
cake is a
up.
lie. Cake is a lie. Cake is a lie.
Shut up, Tag Carol. No one's talking to you either. Shut up.
I want to go inside. Whoa. I'm a bit big. I'm a bit short. Oh, wait. Whoa, banana. There's a banana.
Oh.
Now what? Run away from. No one has a tornado. I'm staying in the middle. Ah! The middle doesn't work. The middle works. I'm still alive. I got sucked into the tornado, but I'm still alive. Oh. I got sucked, but I'm still alive. No. Oh man.
I still survived. I'm still alive.
And anyways, that is it. We will see you all later. Goodbye.
I like dancing.